What's up, everybody? There are basically 4 steps to kickstart your crypto trading process every single day. And it's one of the most consistently profitable crypto trading frameworks. I call the 4 steps to minimize losses, maximize profits, and grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. For example, just a couple of hours ago, the price action of the IPUSDT cryptocurrency squeezed up by 118.15% in 3 days, 12 hours. And the best part, you would have made over 80% profits if you were to trade this cryptocurrency on this bullish trend section. The question is, can you imagine making over 80% profits in just 3 days? Isn't that awesome? And do you realize how much opportunity is waiting for you right now? With that, in this live crypto trading video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and trade the best performing cryptocurrency that can potentially make you more money today. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Andrew Oko, and I've been trading and investing in cryptocurrencies for literally 10 years now. With that, the first step to kickstart your crypto trading process every single day is to identify where the price action of most cryptocurrencies will be heading to. And one of the best tools you can absolutely use to be 70% sure of where the price action of most cryptocurrencies will be heading to is the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency. For example, right now, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a green candlestick. And that means you should go hunting for long trading opportunities in every cryptocurrency exchange. And now that we've identified where the price action in most cryptocurrencies will be heading to, the second step to kickstart your crypto trading process is to find the most current bullish trend section of the cryptocurrencies. Make no mistakes, the candlestick price chart data of every cryptocurrency is divided into bullish trend sessions and bearish trend sessions. And that's absolutely all that you'd ever need to perform proper technical analysis of every cryptocurrency. And the price action of every cryptocurrency you want to trade must form a green candlestick at the 13th% of the most current bullish trend section before you can take any live trade actions. And more on that later. So all you've got to do is to find and trade the best performing cryptocurrencies that are currently trading below the 15th% of the most current bullish trend section. For example, right now, the best performing cryptocurrency on the Bybit exchange is the IPUSDT cryptocurrency futures contract. And to properly analyze the candlestick price chart data of this cryptocurrency, head over to the tradingview.com chart page and search for the crypto ticker symbol IP. And let's jump right in to identify the most current bullish trend section of the IP USDT cryptocurrency futures contracts. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the IP USDT cryptocurrency futures contract started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, the price action of this cryptocurrency squeezed up by 49% and then dipped down to 15.11%. And right now, the IP market price is currently trading at the 102.87% of the most current bullish trend section. And the best part, you would have made over 80% profits if you were to trade this cryptocurrency on this bullish trend section. But as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the price action of this cryptocurrency is currently trading above the 15th% of the most current bullish trend section. And that disqualified this cryptocurrency as a potential trade target for now. So let's go back to the list of the best performing cryptocurrencies to continue our crypto trading research.